everyone, we're going to give you a quick tour of our room here at the Anaheim Hotel. The Anaheim Hotel is located at 1700 Harbor Boulevard on the corner of Harbor and Disney Way. It's about a half-mile walk or about 10 minutes to the gates of Disneyland. The Anaheim Hotel is rated number 33 out of 125 hotels in Anaheim on TripAdvisor.
The Anaheim Hotel has plenty of parking, including EV chargers via ChargePoint. Just watch out for the pricing.
The lobby has a great mid-century modern feel. More on that later. Hey everyone, it's Anaheim Park Tourist here, and we're going to give you a quick tour of our room here at the Anaheim Hotel. So we got a 2-queen bedroom, and the beds are pretty comfortable here. There are only 2 pillows per bed, which was fine for us. Over here, they do have 2 regular outlets, and then in the middle, a USB, which was really handy. We didn't use the clock radio or the phone or anything here. And then all the rooms here, it looks like, have a balcony or a courtyard. We have a balcony, we're on the 2nd floor. And here's a nice desk area. There is a coffee maker and an ice bucket. And then in this very cool piece of furniture right here on this side are the same thing by the bed, where it's 2 outlets and a USB port. And then in here is a mini fridge. There is no microwave in this room, but I did see a microwave in the lobby for use. The drawers in here are nice and big. I've kind of styled all of these rooms in a mid-century modern theme, just like the lobby, which is really nice because we love mid-century modern. The room is very spacious. You would have plenty of room here for 4 people, and even if you had toddlers, there would be enough room for a stroller. Here's the bathroom. It's a pretty standard bathroom. The sink, toilet, and tub shower are all in the same room. It did get really steamy in here when I showered in it, and there is a fan, but it still took quite a long time to clear the air in here. So luckily there is another big wall mirror in this room to be able to get ready. And there is also this mirror that lights up, which was really nice to do my makeup in. The Anaheim Hotel does have pros and cons. We will leave it up to you to decide what's most important for your family.
Take in mind, this room does go for upwards of $200 a night when the parks are open.
The pros. The proximity to the park can't be beat. Pizza press on site,
which is hands down probably the best pizza on Harbor near the park.
Yes, and really handy to have even if you come home late. There's also a full bar on site, which is rare for a motel.
And the pool is pretty awesome. It's large and can accommodate a lot of people.
The grounds are massive and beautifully maintained, and they also have free Wi-Fi.
Now we'll jump right into the cons. The outdoor activities and spaces encourage a lot of general noise outside. If you're one of those people who like to take a break from the parks midday and take a nap, this may present a problem for you if you are a light sleeper.
The walls are thin. We could hear the neighbor's cell phone vibrating through the wall all night.
Which brings us to the other neighbor. They were singing all night long. And just take in mind, if you are a light sleeper, this may not be the right hotel for you. You have to decide. Or bring earplugs.
The room we stayed in had a weird smell. We couldn't place what it was until later when we saw maintenance painting Kills primer in a room a couple doors down from us. Another issue in our room was the tack board was exposed between the carpeting and the tile.
And there's tiny little nails there, so if you had little ones or you weren't paying attention, you could actually get hurt by accidentally stepping on those tiny little nails. The Anaheim Hotel does have resort and parking fees.
That wraps up our video. If you enjoyed our content, please give us a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.